Focus.
Focus.
Welcome back to the vlog. To another vlog.
Another day, dollar.
Give me some airtime, man.
Give me that airtime.
I really hear you. Let's go to the garage. We're back. After a freaking full sesh.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Welcome back to the vlog. Okay, we're back. We're running it. We're sending it.
So, dude,
Get out of
trying
here,
to
bro.
record, man.
You guys ready, man? Last time you saw us take a Beamer W right
Oh,
here.
we're gonna post that. I forgot about
gonna,
that video.
Are you gonna put that video
I
up?
forgot about that video.
You gotta quick edit it at least.
Yeah. Okay.
No,
So
no. Bring it here. I got it. Last time you saw us take this drift car.
That's just disrespectful.
Second time today is ruining the vlog. So we took this drift car and we made it not really a car anymore. We took the motor out, trans out. We're taking everything out. So now we're gonna take this not drift car to even less of a drift car. We're gonna make this car like so not car that it's never gonna live ever again in its entire existence, and it's just a waste of space and life. Bring it in. Kiss me. No, I'm just kidding. Okay.
I don't know what was I kissing about, but all we gotta do is tell them what we're gonna do today. I get my car's a piece of shit, you know, but you can stop kicking it now, all right? We're gonna take off the rear subframe, the diff, half of the other part of the drive shaft, because I already took off that. We're gonna take off the front subframe, take it all off, drop them all down, because I have another chassis that's ready to go, sitting there for me, but it's in the same condition as this on jack stands, so I need to drop my subframes, take them over to that car, bolt them to that, put on the wheels, bring that show over here, and start working on that.
I'm gonna buy a hat on Amazon.
Like, you're really out here, bro.
Dude, I want a sun hat like these things.
Really
Look
out
at that.
here, dude. You're really out here looking at hats. Bro.
I'm really out here. I'm
about you focus, dude.
I'm so out here right now, dude. Now I'm in here. I was out there, now I'm in here. Boom.
You recording?
Welcome back, y'all.
Don't say welcome back. They don't even know they left to begin.
Made some progress here, and we're gonna take the top hat bolts out, and hopefully our idea is that will drop the entire rear subframe, the hubs, everything will come out.
Just like that, just by dropping the top hats, just like that. That easy.
The top haticles, guys. It's literally the only step you have to do to
Why don't
undo
you
your...
explain all the other stuff?
I'm gonna get there! So you can see we took off the fender flares, we took off the side skirts, had to get to these two Allen key bolt thingies that go through and connect to our subframe. This had this big old bolt on it, and this big piece of metal connects to there. So you gotta undo that big bolt. We've undone some brake lines, probably not the pro way. And then lastly, taken out the large diff bolt that holds the differential in. And so once we've done all that, we're gonna drop everything.
You guys remember the good old Ooga-Dooga, right?
Man.
Look at it, man. Look at
Woo.
that. Look at that.
That's science. That must be science. Yep. Oh, that was exciting. You guys got to enjoy that. I had a good time. Want to see the other side? Want to see the other side? Woo! I'm so
That's how
useful.
you drift the car right there.
See you guys, and this is what happens when you drift right here. This stuff breaks. Everything breaks. All right, guys, looks like that didn't work. We're gonna get back to the drawing board. For sure. I'm ready.
I'm not frustrated. You're frustrated, all right?
We're having a great time right now. George? Oh, God. Oh, my.
You're frustrated. So the rear subframe.
Nah, man. You want to take a minute? You good, dog? If it's not going well, if you guys could tell, rear subframe is definitely stuck.
We tried jumping on it.
I gotta do it again right now, bro. Say hello. Say hello. Oh, now it's stuck on the floor. What did I do?
I know. Let's stop doing that. By the way.
Oh, dude, it came out.
You're lying.
Look at this side. It dropped out.
Oh, what the fuck?
No way.
Dude, we're just. What?
Dude, I tapped it once and it dropped.
Oh, it's out on this side.
Ah! That's what happens when you hit your shit with a hammer, dog.
Even the hammer again, bro. I'll do it again. Come right now, bro. You're angry. We thought we were struggling with the subframe. Turns out we're not, because here at Defato, we don't got no problem.
We definitely did. The struggle lasted, but it's over now.
It's not over. It's still stuck. It's just a little out.
So, no cause for alarm, guys. We definitely know what we're doing.
This is what was holding my drive shaft in, bro.
These clips are long.
Someone tried to make an arc reactor for
Teleportation device.
No,
over here.
dude, it's an Iron Man reference. Why do you teleportation device?
Look how mad
Teleportation.
Look how mad nerds get
Dude.
when you mess up their like nerd idea.
Bro, arc reactor, you're like teleportation device. Get out of here, man.
Yeah, I went off my own thing, you
Ah,
know.
dude.
I don't always have to do your thing, you know.
It's an arc reactor, dude.
Hydrate, guys. Hydrate.
Should've tried to drink all stupid. Anyways,
What happened, man? What happened here?
so what we did to drop the subframe. Probably don't do what we did.
Yeah, don't do it in this order. You have to get all of the weight off of the subframe in order to let it drop out correctly off of these studs.
Yeah, because literally the subframe is just that straight bar. That's it, and then the rest is like trailing arms and diff.
We had
Anyway.
a great idea. We were gonna like hot boy Johnny this, just undo every bolt, drop it right out, and nothing, dude. And then what happened? It didn't come out at all.
Yeah.
So it was not a fun time, guys.
Was not fun time. Drop the diff, drop the trailing arms, drop the hub. Like take off as much weight off of that as possible, and then everything comes.
It'll
out.
just
slide like that.
come out.
Yeah, like we try to keep it in as a whole because we're gonna go and transfer it to the other shell, and we just kind of wanted to like drop and reattach to the car.
Like front subframes, you can do that stuff. Front subframes, you can kind of just take it all off in one giant piece and like roll it away. And that was the plan. And
I'm wondering if we should
didn't
do that
work.
today. Should we do that today? Mine.
So the bottom of the subframe,
Okay.
right there, you see it just split off.
Ooh, look at
This guy goes through there. There's two of them. They are 17s, as well as the back.
Lollipops.
Little lollipop right here.
Undo
It is
those.
also two 17s. They are a little bit smaller, but similar.
Undo the two lollipops. Undo the two subframe bolts on
Make
each
sure-
side.
Make sure your steering's
I
disconnected.
took off the bolt when we drop everything. You might have to wiggle it out. Now we're just gonna undo the top hats and the whole subframe. You know, just come right out.
Should be easy. We are at the last step here.
Okay, that just made.
We're good.
Hey,
You ready?
yeah, man. I got it right here. This is gonna go terribly wrong. Yep. Okay, stop. Hold on. Let me put the camera down.
Step now for the most part.
The subframe's out. It ended up detaching from inside the steering column
Dude, no way.
from the like steering wheel. Like it's not that bad. It just literally slides off from this dude there.
This poor line right here. What is this?
Yeah, from the steering shaft right here, this whole doodad. That dude right there. It just like slipped out of that. Not a huge deal. And then we were trying to undo the brake lines, but previous owner just jacked up. So yeah, because that was super wrecked, I just cut the brake line. There was no way that was gonna come off, so that spraying fluid everywhere. We're gonna come at it back tomorrow. As a matter of fact, can you move the subframe that way? It's getting fluid all over it. Just pull on it, and then we'll get the cat litter on it or whatever. Tomorrow, we're gonna handle taking out the harness stuff, the dash stuff. That should be a whole day process as well. Getting everything ready for the new shell. That's it. Nothing to it, mate.
Oh yeah, man.
Nothing to it. I don't know.
Need help, mate? Keep the camera down. Oh, you wanted to. Oh.
I just
I
wanted
thought
to.
you wanted to push back.
No, I wanted away from the fluid. All right, go see you tomorrow. Bye.
Wait.
What?
Thanks for watching.
I want to tell them right now to leave a comment and like the video.
Comment, like, subscribe.
Let's reach 10, 20. Let's reach 20 likes.
20 likes. You've done it before. And, you know, keep telling your friends because we're trying to get to 200 subs. We're getting really close. And
We are really
another
close.
milestone, man. Love you guys.
Oh, you got party down, man. Got party down.
Play Gopnik.